Hey, I'm John. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create hyper-personalized cold outreach with a step-by-step workflow. So let's say we are a GTM agency and want to sell your marketing services to B2B companies that will be launching their products. As you know, you can find people you want to target using persona, but in this example, let's say we have had lists here. So the first thing we need to do is find work emails. I'm going to click find work email. You can take in just a LinkedIn URL, or if you want to improve your match rate, you can also take in the first name and company name. In this case, I'm going to go with the LinkedIn URL. So save and run for all. It's running. Now we found almost all the emails in here. You can also see the status whether it's water or catch-all. In the following videos, I will show you how you can validate catch-all email accounts. But for now, wallet is what I would recommend to use. And now I want to use a filter to only send to people who have a wallet email. So I click on filter where email status equal to wallet. Okay, done. For next steps, you want to learn more about this company. Maybe doing some research on what these companies do is a good way for you to actually pitch them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our AI enrichment. Click on enrich data, company enrichment, and enrich company details. There are three options for you: by website, by name, by LinkedIn. By website is good. Click on save and run. Okay, it's running. Yep, completed. Let's see for this example. Yeah, great description for them. Very detailed. Another example is Armory. Yeah, as you can see, very detailed description. Okay, I'm going to expand on this description column to use it later. So I'm click on add column and add column. Yeah, new column created. Description column is created. Okay, I want to target only B2B companies. So click on enrich data, AI enrichment. As you can see, it's here. And persona company AI agent. There's a preset in here where you can click B2B or B2C. So I'm click on use preset and B2B or B2C, as you can see. Here is the prompt. Use this preset. You can see this prompt. Okay, save and run for all. Let's give this a few seconds. B2B, B2B. Okay, great. They are all B2B. It's really good. So I don't need to use a filter to proceed only with B2B ones because they're all B2B companies. I'm going to change the column name to B2B. Okay. So next, what we want to do is write hyper-personalized messaging, of course. I'm going to click on use AI. First, enrich data, AI enrichment. So you can see here. Use AI. Okay. This uses ChatGPT and Claude. So the next thing I want to do is create an opening line that reflects the company mission. So I'm click on use preset, and yep, company mission email opener. Click on it, and company description. I will select description. Yep. You remember this is the new column that we expanded on. So use this preset. Okay, here's a prompt. If you want to use other information from a different column, just use the slash mark, and you can pick the column whatever you want whenever you need. So for this example, this one looks good for now. So you can click on save and run for all. Feel free to grab a cup of coffee. Yep, it's completed. You can see use these openers in your outreach. For example, and another example is, yeah, personalized opener lines. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out product lines about their company. So click on enrich data and AI enrichment again, and persona company AI agent. Okay. So I want to copy and paste my prompt here. Um, yep, here it is. Remove it. Okay. Yep, here's the prompt. You can see what are some recent product lines. Give the answer exactly. If there is no launch found, just return empty and product lines. Okay. So use I'm going to use company website and save and run for all. Just give it a few seconds because it's running. Yeah, completed. Now we have different product lines in here. I want okay, it's empty. So I want to use a filter to remove the empty ones. I have empty one. Okay. Click on filter, add new filter, switch from or to end. Select ask a question and equal to sorry does not contain empty. Yeah, it removes. Okay, good. Okay. Um, the AI has done a lot of research trying to link the product launch with hyper personalization that you can use. We can actually use our AI to come up with something based on the product launch. So the next step is I want to reach out to this company, of course, and but I need something to offer them. I need to create three marketing ideas to sell them. So I am going to click on enrich data, and as you can see, click any AI enrichment and use AI. Okay. Again, I want to copy and paste it my prompt, so I'm gonna do it. I'm going to do it. Okay. Yep. This is my prompt as a GTM agency. Create three marketing ideas that I can incorporate for marketing line. Okay. Um. Yeah, I want to use ask a question because as you can see, this is the ask a question column that I want to use. So click enrich data, AI enrichment, and use AI. So copy and paste it again. Okay. Save and run for all. Click on. It's running. Okay, completed. Um, let's see what happened. Oh, great. There are three marketing ideas for you. Another example is, yeah, a peer earnings program. A peer, oh, it's very hyper personalized. Okay, as you know, this kind of research would take 15 minutes each lead. But using AI, we were able to do it in just 1 minute or less. It's really super cool. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to into Smart Lead and use this information in the email template. So click on Enrich Data, providing Smart Lead, add leads to Smart Lead. Yeah. You see no API keys found. I got this error because I didn't connect between Smart Lead and Persona using the API. It takes actually 2 seconds to connect them, but I will do it later. As we are a GTM agency, we come up with three ideas to share them for free. So we can use it as a lead magnet. This is so important. You can put this into Smart Lead and choose the campaign, as you can see, that you want to reach out to. It's empty because I didn't connect between Smart Lead and Persona. I am going to put in the email, which is the work email that we found. So slash mark and work email. Yeah. And you can add in all the different hyper personalization in here. So add more details. First name, last name, phone number, company name, company URL. The list is goes on. And also you can add custom fields options. But in this case, we don't need it to use. Okay, that way you can really use to help you build effective cold outbound campaigns that are based on the recent product launch. And you can see it's fully customizable, so you can play around with the prompt or use AI. Yeah. Oh, okay. Last thing, if you want, you can create a sales email using Persona. So I'm going to click on generate sales emails. Yeah, here is the prompt. You can use the prompt shown here, or you can write your own prompt. We are going to use LinkedIn URL, and here's the prompt. So I want to click and see what's happened. Okay, sales email generated. Let's see. Okay, okay. Actually, it's not bad, but of course you can improve it before sending them. Yeah, but in this example, we don't need it to use sales email. We want to put this into Smart Lead and choose the campaign, of course. So if you have any question, just message us. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you. Bye.